श्रीमद्भागवतं नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्। In Srimad Bhagavatam 4th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, in that assembly, when Nandiswara cursed everyone including Brahmanas, Bhrigu Maharshi got so mad at Nandiswara and he started cursing which is like a Brahmadandam which cannot be stopped. Now Bhrigu Maharshi saying that those who follows Rudra, they become Pashanda. Pashanda means those who does activities which are against Vedas, and those who hates Vedas also known as Pashandas. Bhrigu Maharshi saying that those who worships Rudra nashta sauchaha, they will not have acharam, and those who worships Rudra, Shiva, Muda Dhiyo, Jata Bhasma, Astidharinaha, they will not have wisdom, Vedic wisdom, and they will put bhasmam all over their body. They will also have bones garland, and they will try to imitate Paramashiva. And those who does worship Shiva, they will like to eat meat and they will like to drink alcohol and other things. And those who worships Paramashiva, Brahmacha Brahmanamschaiva, they will hate Vedas, they will hate those who are mastered in Vedas. Because they hate Vedas, that is why they are known as Pashandamashritaha, they are known as Pashandas and Nastikas. O Vidura, Vedas gives an eternal righteousness. Vedas gives moksham. And anusantastuhu yat pramanam janardanaha. Sakshat Janardana Srimannarayana is known by Vedas. And because Tat Brahma Paramam Suddham, because these people who worships Paramashiva hates Vedas and goes against Vedas, that is why they are known as Pashandas. O Vidura, that is how Bhrigu Maharshi cursing everyone who worships Paramashiva, who follows Paramashiva, who imitates Paramashiva. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.